To grow, you need to learn. And you need to learn, you have to read.
So you're growing through books.
यस, जो बुक लवर है, रीडर है, उसके लिए तो जन्नत है यहाँ पर.
Hey everyone, what's up? This is Anjali and today we are going to go to Kitab Lovers Sale. It's in Indore and how can I miss it? If you don't know that what Kitab Lovers is, then Kitab Lovers is a place for readers. It is one of the best place if you want to build your library, if you want to hoard books, if you want to get some good books at a low price. It is really budget friendly. They have a very simple concept. There are different boxes according to size and the price, and you can fill any book. You can take any book that you want from their stock. The only condition is the box has to be neatly packed. It has to be flat. That's it. And today we are gonna go there and we are gonna have fun. We are gonna talk to people. We are gonna meet new readers. We'll see if the collection is worth it or not worth it, and everything. And if you have not checked my last year's Kitab Lovers book haul, then you can check it here. And now let's just go. Hey, so we are finally here at Kitab Lovers, and now first we are gonna go inside and see the surrounding and everything, books, and gonna meet people. So let's just come. So we are gonna talk to some people now. There's a kid. Let's ask him about the books. What's your name?
Soham Kothari,
How old are you?
10 years old.
Which books are you looking for?
I'm mainly looking for of the Wimpy Kid and Horrid Henry, books like that kind. I enjoy them a lot.
Wow, how long? Like, have you been a reader?
When I was 6 years old, I started reading a book called Geronimo Stilton. From then on, I've been starting to read books.
Wow. Which is your favorite writer, if any?
My favorite writer is J.K. Rowling.
Have you read the whole Harry Potter series?
Yes, I've read it all.
Which book is your favorite?
I like the first book. Second one, The Chamber of Secrets.
Do you find any book that you liked here a lot?
I like the big kinds of books, like the classics type.
Wow, this is really impressive for me right now. So, which box are you gonna buy? The small one, the big one, the biggest one?
I really don't know. I will select all my books and then I'll just sort it out and see in which box it is coming.
Wow, I'm really impressed with you. This is what generally people should do, but when we are a reader, we just want books and books and books. So, are you like a book hoarder too?
I have books at my home, but I have books at my home. But I just it's my hobby to read them. I don't have so many books. I just have a hobby to read them.
Okay, so if if you get a chance to build your own library, would you?
Yes, I will.
How many books do you currently own?
Around 30 to 40.
Wow, this is brilliant. It was really nice talking to you. Anything that you would like to say to people, to readers, to kids?
That reading, you should read. It expands your knowledge and the vocabulary.
Yes, this is true. I also believe that we can grow through books. So you're growing through books.
Yes.
Yes. सो अभी तक तो मतलब सिर्फ 3 ही है, ज़्यादा ऑनेस्टली मैंने देखा नहीं क्योंकि मुझे नॉन फिक्शन दिख नहीं रही है. बट ठीक है, अभी अभी अब और लोगों से बातें करेंगे। और बाहर भी यहाँ पे इन्होंने किताबें रखी हैं, किताबें बहुत सारी हैं। फ़िक्शन तो मतलब लिटरली बहुत अच्छा है। नॉन फिक्शन मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं ढूंढ लूँ, कुछ ऐसी फ़नी कॉमिक्स टाइप मिली है और द ग्रेट गेट्स बाय भी मिली है। सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि हमें और अच्छी किताबें मिले। उम्मीद तो काफ़ी है, देखते हैं। और भी लोगों से बातें करेंगे, चलो चलते हैं। Which books are you looking for?
Mysteries, crime, mystery.
Okay. How long have you both been a reader? मतलब readers.
For about 10 years or something.
I'm not sure. I'm a recent reader.
Okay. So do you always read fiction or have you tried non-fiction as well?
I like fiction.
I have not tried non-fiction.
Okay.
Fiction. I have tried non-fiction. I have not tried fiction. Fiction.
Fiction try किया.
कहाँ?
Non-fiction तो autobiographies or stories, histories or memoirs or something.
अच्छा, so non-fiction.
Fiction.
Yeah, fiction. Right.
Now we are going to talk to the founder. As I have already given you an introduction of Kitab Lovers in detail, let's ask them a bit about it. So, first of all, your name.
R.K. Shankar.
Okay. If you can describe Kitab Lovers in one line, what would it be?
In one line,
In short.
in short, okay. It is just that we are giving anything and everything related to books to the readers. So it is we are spreading love, just like our tagline, love among the readers.
Yes, this is true, and in a budget-friendly way, I guess.
Absolutely.
How long have you been doing this thing?
See, this is our second year officially, and unofficially, this is my brainchild, and I've been working on this from the past. It's been my fourth year that I'm working on this. 2 years prior to this, when we were launched, this 2 years prior to that, I was working on that. So now this is our second year. We are working on it, and let's hope how long it goes.
Yes, the concept is really nice, and I think it will go a long way.
Thanks.
And I'm connected to Kitab Lovers since the beginning. Then
Oh,
I get to
great,
know.
great.
I was thinking it was like 8 to 10 years it has been, but you said 2 years, and I'm coming to Kitab Lovers since 2 years only.
Yeah.
Do you travel to like all India?
All the parts of India, majorly all the parts of India. We started our wagon in the southern part, like Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore. We've been to Hyderabad as well. There we've held around 16 to 17 exhibitions in a year last year. So this is post-COVID our first exhibition here in Indore, because we this is a kind of thing that we get more love from here. So it's just that let's go for Indore first, and then we'll start our wagon to the other parts of India.
Yes, I was also thinking they are coming to Indore first. Generally, it is Bhopal that is the first location.
Yeah, it's just that we wanted to give something to Indore as well. We don't want to that Indore will get whatever Bhopal left. So it is just that let's just surprise the Indore so that we get some more love from Indore as well.
Yes, we are surprised.
Yeah.
So, if I particularly talk about Indore, do you like the crowd here?
Absolutely, absolutely. The crowd is amazing. People are giving very positive response to our collection from the day one as well. So it goes on to the day four till day four. So on last year also we also give surprise to them that our condition is that you need to close your box properly.
Yes.
So last year we got an update from our Delhi head office. They said that no, you can go ahead and ask them to open the box, fill it as much as they can, and it is the last hour surprise for Indore.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yes, it happened last year, last event.
Oh my god. So, is this thing on for this year as well?
Let's hope for the best. I'm keeping my finger crossed that we'll surprise Indore again.
Wow, this is mind blowing. Now I'm thinking, why did I come to the first day?
Yeah, no. It is just that we want to give something delightful to the audience so that they can come up again and again to us,
Yes.
and we want to spread and connect with them.
Okay, so like after this COVID situation, this is the first sale
Yes,
that
this
we are
is our
doing.
first
So
exhibition.
how was the response? Do you think the COVID affected much?
It is affected, but not that much. We were also surprised yesterday as well that we thought that we kept our numbers around that it'll be a response of mix good and bad, or you can say close to 50% to the last sale. No, but yesterday there was a little drop of 12% only as
Okay.
compared to last year.
But I hope that it will not affect that much on
Absolutely,
weekends.
there is a time left. You cannot judge from the day one, so we still have time, and we will make up. I'm pretty sure about that.
I am a non-fiction reader and I have seen कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी fiction books हैं.
नॉन
तो
फिक्शन का जॉनर अवेलेबल है, क्लासिक्स भी अवेलेबल, एंड नॉन फिक्शन के लिए तो हमने एक हार्ड कवर सेक्शन भी रखा है, सो दैट कि आप वो बुक को लॉन्ग टर्म अपने साथ रख सकते हो. वी प्रेफर नॉन फिक्शन बुक्स इन हार्ड कवर फॉर्मेट, सो दैट दोज बुक्स विल बी विद यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म.
यस, एंड आप ऑल ओवर इंडिया जाते हैं तो आपने ऐसा कुछ नोट किया है, कुछ जॉनरा का ट्रेंड, कुछ जॉनरा का वेरिएशन कि यहाँ पे ये ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पे वो ज़्यादा जा रहा है?
ऐसा रहता है, बट हर जगह ऑलमोस्ट सेम होता है. कुछ थोड़े से चेंजेस आते हैं, डिपेंड करता है कि वहाँ के रीडिंग हैबिट्स किस हिसाब से हैं, तो वो हल्का हल्का वेरिएशन आता है, हर जगह आता है पूरे इंडिया में.
कोई ऐसा एक जॉनरा जो सबसे ज़्यादा चलता हो?
Nowadays is motivation and self-help
It's true. People are moving towards
Moving
non-fiction
towards, yes.
a lot.
a lot. Nowadays it is a trending genre.
ओके, सो इंदौर में ऐसा कुछ देखा है आपने कि फिक्शन ज़्यादा है, नॉन फिक्शन ज़्यादा है?
नहीं, ऐसा मैंने आपको बताया ना कि हल्का सा वेरिएशन तो आता ही है, पर हाँ इधर भी नॉन फिक्शन का और मोटिवेशन और सेल्फ हेल्प का थोड़ा सा जो क्रेज़ है वो और जॉनर से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, पर सबको जो बीट करता है ना वो हमारे किड्स है. जो किड्स जो रीडिंग हैबिट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं वो मतलब उनका नंबर, और जो रेस्ट ऑफ द रीडर्स है उन जॉनर का रीडर्स अगर आप नंबर लगाओगे तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा किड्स जो सारे जॉनर को बीट करते
मैं सुबह आई थी तो मुझे किड्स मिले थे.
किड्स, टीन फिक्शन, ये दो ऐसे सेक्शन है जो कि बेसिकली सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ जो बच्चे आते हैं वो इसी सेक्शन के लिए आते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू द रीडर्स आते हैं, पर वो कभी ना कहीं उनको थोड़े से मार्जिन से बीट कर देते हैं कि इतने ज़्यादा किड्स यहाँ पर अवेलेबल.
Anything that you want to say to the readers?
Do come to us. We will surprise you. All the kind of books you like, we probably will be having all those books along in our kitty. So you can come up and have a look on our collection as well.
You know, it is just getting overwhelming. So many good books, so many titles, and now I don't know anything. My mind is blank right now. I don't know. There are this time the books are really good. I found good non-fiction books, but I had them already. I found fiction books, but I don't read much fiction, so it is just getting blank for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. So let's just hope that I get good deals, good books. Which genre do you generally prefer?
Mostly thriller and sci-fi books. Other than that,
How long have you been a reader?
around a year or two maybe. Yeah, a year or two.
Do you often buy books in sales or this is the
Mostly in sales. I buy book mostly in sales.
first- Yes, this is the nice trick.
Yeah.
Even I use it because
And I even sell those that I love so that everyone can read that too. Sometimes.
wow, this is really nice. I'm gonna follow you. So if you unhaul,
Yeah, for sure. You can do that.
finally we are done with the shopping, and now we are gonna talk to a volunteer. Her name is Niharika. Hi Niharika.
हाय
यहाँ पे कितने साल से वॉलंटियरिंग कर रहे हैं?
ये मेरा थर्ड टाइम है जो मैं इनको वॉलंटियर कर रही हूँ. आई बीन देयर जब से मतलब चालू हुआ तब से इनके साथ ही हूँ.
आप कितने साल से पढ़ रहे हैं?
10 लाइक इट्स बीन आई थिंक 8 to 9 years मैं बुक्स पढ़ रही हूँ. एंड इट्स अलग ही जोन हो जाता है उस चीज़ में. लाइक बुक्स आर योर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक रियली बुक्स आर योर फ्रेंड्स. लॉकडाउन में बुक्स के अलावा कुछ था ही नहीं मेरे पास, एंड आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी कि बस इतनी बुक्स हैं. तो मैं अपना पूरा टाइम निकाल पाई हूँ उनमें. एंड इट्स लाइक आपको बहुत चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है बुक से. एंड आई रेड समवेयर कि अ बुक लवर और अ बुक रीडर लिव्स 1,000 lives देन अ डिफरेंट लाइक देन अ सिंगल पर्सन. तो बस मैं भी पूरे लॉकडाउन में अलग अलग टाइप की लाइफ जीती गई, इंजॉय करती गई उस चीज़ को.
Literally, book saved us through
a
lockdown.
lot, a lot. They kept us in like totally sane for many time. Like it's fine.
This is true. So like now lockdown में आपने अपनी पूरी TBR खत्म कर ली and now you're here कि और अब क्या पढ़ सकते हैं?
इस बार मैंने मतलब मेरी बहुत बुक्स खत्म हो गई था. आई वाज लाइक मैं मेरी पुरानी ले आई कि आप प्लीज़ ये ले लो. एंड आई वांट सम न्यू.
Okay, anything else that you want to mention about Kitab Lovers?
See, Kitab Lovers is a very big venture and they are the like बुक सेवर्स फॉर हमारे जैसे लोगों के लिए बहुत सेवियर टाइप है वो, जिनको बुक्स बहुत पसंद है. एंड दे आर वेरी लविंग एंड दे आर सो हम्बल, दे आर सो फन. इतनी मस्ती कराते हैं, मतलब डांटते भी हैं कभी कभार, बट उनके साथ अच्छा रिलेशन हमारा बन चुका है. तो हम लोग कभी छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहते इनको. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि बस हम आ जाए, अपनी जॉब वॉब छोड़ के भी आ जाए, चलेगा हमें.
Exactly, like
Yeah.
it will be like an ideal job. You're
Exactly.
reading, you're with books, you're selling books. It's perfect.
It's totally perfect. The atmosphere, the environment, the ambience is totally perfect for you. जो बुक लवर है, रीडर है, उसके लिए तो जन्नत है यहाँ पर.
So anything that you would like to say to my readers, say to my viewers?
Guys, keep reading books. मत छोड़ना बिल्कुल बुक्स पढ़ना. They are like your best company you can ever have. And keep going for a new genres. I really want people to, mostly kids, कि आप हर genres की बुक पढ़ें, because हर genre आपको कुछ नया और कुछ नया इन्फॉर्मेटिव देती हैं. हर ऑथर की स्टोरी अलग है, हर ऑथर की स्टोरी डिपिक्ट करना अलग है. सो आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन टू जस्ट कीप रीडिंग बुक्स. उसको मत छोड़ना प्लीज़.
So we are back. It was such a fun day at Kitab Lovers. I really enjoyed it. The collection was totally worth it. I got the biggest box, and if you want to build your library, I suggest that you should go to Kitab Lovers. And while I was not home, I got these 2 book mails. It was such a fun bookish day. You know, the big book box, new readers, new people, and then book mails. It was totally perfect. And I'll see you next in the Kitab Lovers book haul. And told you, Kitab Lovers is on all social media platforms, and just go and follow them so you don't miss out on any sale information, any giveaway, anything bookish.
Do follow Book XP as well on social media platforms like we are available on FB, Insta and on YouTube as well. Please follow us.
Thank you. Do follow.